FDA Commissioner Tukaram Munde steps in, action usually follows. And this time the target was the one of the Pune's most prominent education institution as well as the education hub, that is Savitribai Phule University. What exactly happened? Let's try to understand. In a major crackdown, the FDA has suspended the license at the Central Refractory Mess at Savitribai Phule University after an inspection uncovered serious food safety and hygiene violation. The action comes after months of complaint from the students who allegedly said that the contaminated as well as unhygienic food was being served in the campus itself. For nearly a year, students of SPPU says that the repeated complaint about the quality of food being served in the university mess as well as the canteens. According to the student representatives, around 50 to 60 incidents involving unhygienic food were reported. Even students allege that worms, larvae, cockroaches, insects, hair and other foreign substances were found in the meals that were served at different times. Seeing that around 50 to 60 incidents that has been taken place, even many students documented these incidents with the photographs, videos and shared them with the university authorities, and even several complaints also reached to the local media organizations and the news channels. Based on this, however, students claim that despite repeated complaints and the problems that were faced, and still the students were facing around 50 to 60 incidents that has been happened in the university itself. As the concerns mount, even students decided to take this matter directly to the Maharashtra's FDA. With Commissioner Tukaram Munde known for his strict action against violations affecting the public health, students thought this need to be given to the action, they have been decided to send a detailed complaint through email demanding the immediate intervention to the Commissioner of FDA Tukaram Munde. The complaints along with the media reports prompted the FDA to initiate an immediate inspection that need to be taken at the university. On June 16, FDA had carried out an inspection at the central mess of the Pune University, where they were inspecting the food quality, as well as even they have seen the photographs and the videos given by the students. According to the FDA officials, severe violations of the food safety norms were found during the inspection itself. The findings were submitted to the senior authorities, following which the mess operator was called for a hearing. After reviewing the inspection report and the hearing, operator response, like Shahid Imran Hashmi, Assistant Commissioner of Food and Designated Officer of the Maharashtra's FDA, has been ordered the suspension of the mess license. Even officials said that the violations were serious enough to pose the potential health risk of the students, and they have warned for taking an immediate action where the license has been cancelled of the refractory mess of the central of the Savitribai Phule University, where nearly 1,000 students and also supplies food to the hostels as well as the residents over there. If we talk about the right now situation over there, is the students are affecting, as the mess has been cancelled, as FDA has been taken a severe action regarding that. Talking to that, Abhishek, the president of University Student Struggle Action Committee, said that the students had been raising the concerns from months, and that the strict action necessary was needed to protect the students' health. Even if we talk about the right now situation over there, in girls' hostel there is one mess, and in boys' hostel there are particularly two mess and one common Aniket canteen, where and even the students have been started allotting the tiffins from the outside for the regular as students goes through their schools as well as the regular classes goes at the university. So students have opted the tiffin centers from the outside. Now this separate mess facilities has been given, as I told prior about, for the boys. In boys hostel there are two mess facilities, as well as in the girls hostel there is one. Even many students have opted the private tiffin centers also, as now the results food arrangements for the most students remain largely unaffected. Now as we have seen, what began as a series of a student's complaint has now resulted in one of the biggest food safety action taken on the university campus in the recent years. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.